Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I am going to make nameplate. So let's begin the video. So here I am taking a piece of wooden and then apply some fevicol on it. Here I am taking a mixture of POP. Now gently spread it on a piece of wooden. Here I am using some tools for giving the texture of wood. If you want to buy these tools, I am giving the link in the description. So first we will give texture of wood. This is very simple. You have to just draw some lines. For making flute, I am going to cover the sketch pen by POP. Paste the flute using fevicol. Now make some holes on flute. You can also use pen for making holes. Now I am going to make Vrindavan on the wooden piece. And yes, don't forget to paste using fevicol. Now here I am making some design. Keep it for drying for some time. Now we will move to the coloring part. I am using 3 shades of brown. Also you can add some black color. For coloring the flute, I am using light shade of brown. And now I am going to use golden color for some finishing touch. And our nameplate is ready. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, share and like.